Hello everybody, my name is Alexey Lensky and this is my advanced topic video, and today we're gonna talk about GUI or Graphic User Interface. I made an example for a button and a picture as a label in a small G-frame. I wrote the code in Dr. Java, but most people they do it in NetBeans because it's easier. So basically the main difference is that in NetBeans you can just easily like build it, like construct, and here you have to hardcode everything. This is my class that extends GFrame and implements action listener. I haven't used this part for now. So this is my constructor. Oh, I mean my field, sorry. And this is my constructor for GFrame. The size, the location of this, and the title. The title, the location, and the size. And the close operation that exits the program on the X sign. And I have my own method called drawUE in here that basically makes everything within this GFrame, the picture and the button. So I chose a picture from I made a picture as a label using the image icon and just put the name of the picture, and it found it. I put in the same folder, so it wasn't that hard to find it. Also, I made a button collage and put some bounds on it. This is a set of its location and size. The same thing is with a picture. You can change it any way you want. This is a scene that like puts them in the same like location of our GFrame, because we have like 5 locations: the north, south, page start, page end, line start, line end, and center. Now in the main we just make it visible so we can see our GFrame. And now there are some basic commands for all stuff we can do here for minimizing, maximizing, and closing, and for making icon. So this is the second part of my video, and here I have just like some more features we can use with GUI. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I haven't prepared yet. Yeah, this is the action performed. We should just leave it like this. We haven't figured it out yet. Compile. Yeah, now it works. So we have this beautiful picture again, and we have checkboxes and the button and the label in the center. I implemented the same features as in the beginning, but I used more the layout features for this. So I have page start from all my checkboxes, line start I mean, I have the center for my picture and the page end for my button. So this is the GUI, and you can use it any way you want for creating all kind of stuff, like radio buttons, sliders, and a lot of things. The action performing is a quite more complicated topic, but it's much easier to do it in NetBeans.